Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on this laptop. First, click these three icons on your status bar in order to open the control center. Now to adjust screen brightness, you can move this top bar or top slider either to the left to decrease your screen brightness or to the right to increase it. Alternatively, you can use F6 and F7 buttons. F6 is used to decrease your screen brightness and F7 is to increase it. If these two buttons don't do anything for you, you have to first unlock secondary functions of the function keys by pressing the combination of FN and ESC buttons. Then try using F6 and F7 again, and they should work normally. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.